3D printing is one of the leading technologies in the mechanical engineering sector that is expected to replace all the present traditional manufacturing techniques. 3D scanning and 3D designing are technologies that coexist with 3D printing and go hand in hand with it. This is Rohan R here, founder and CEO of Adir Creations, and today I would like to introduce all the young aspiring students how you can equip yourselves for the radical developments in the industry. Before that, let me give you a small introduction about our company, Adir Creations. Adir Creations is a startup in Bangalore that is very passionate about 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing technologies. We provide services in these technologies to industries, students, innovators, and everyone else. We also conduct workshops for seekers to learn and implement these technologies themselves. As our tagline says, your 3D destination, we are a platform for all needs in the world of 3D. We at Adir Creations present to you the internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing. At this internship, we provide real-time work experience and training on these technologies. This internship program provides an opportunity for the students to understand how a company works and be part of it. It helps you to learn practical knowledge on various topics, gives you the confidence to achieve higher goals, and boosts your career ahead. Some of the highlights that make this internship stand out are hands-on training on 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing, product design assignments using CAD software, activities on 3D organic modeling and digital sculpting, projects in 3D scanning of objects and reverse engineering, working on post-processing of 3D prints to improve its quality, guidance on internship report and presentation. Internship certificate will be provided at the completion of the program. Talking more about this internship, the internship is conducted for a total duration of 1 month, and the specialty of this internship is that you can either attend it online or offline. Hope you find this video valuable to understand how important the internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing is. We welcome all the students to join our internship program and make the most out of it. To know more about Adir Creations internship program and its dates, details, please visit our website. Thank you.